Returning to sport or training after an injury is an exciting milestone, but it's also one of the most critical phases of recovery. The key is balancing confidence and caution, ensuring your body is truly ready for performance without risking re-injury. The first step is listening to your body and your healthcare team. Pain, swelling, or instability are signs your tissues may not be fully healed. Even if you feel strong, your body might still be rebuilding coordination, balance, or endurance. Always confirm with your physiotherapist or doctor that you're cleared for progressive loading. Before jumping back into full training, focus on movement quality. Revisit foundational patterns, squats, lunges, hinges, pushes, and pulls, and make sure they feel smooth, stable, and symmetrical. Imbalances or compensations increase the risk of re-injury, so it's essential to correct these early. Next, rebuild your strength and conditioning gradually. Start with controlled movements and lighter loads before advancing to dynamic or explosive actions. Use the rule of 10%. Increase your training intensity or volume by no more than 10% per week. This allows your muscles, tendons, and ligaments to adapt safely. Sport-specific drills come next. Whether you're a runner, lifter, or team athlete, reintroduce movements that mimic your sport's demands, but at reduced intensity. For example, a basketball player might begin with light lateral shuffles before progressing to full-speed direction changes. These drills restore muscle memory and neuromuscular control. Don't neglect balance and proprioception training. Even after strength returns, the nervous system may need time to recalibrate. Single-leg balance, agility ladders, and reaction drills help rebuild confidence in movement and improve coordination. Mobility and flexibility also play a key role. Tight or restricted areas can throw off your mechanics, leading to strain elsewhere. Continue with dynamic stretching and foam rolling to keep tissues supple and movement fluid. Equally important is mental readiness. Fear of re-injury can limit your performance. Visualization, mindfulness, and positive self-talk can help you rebuild trust in your body. Remember, confidence grows with consistent, pain-free movement. As you progress, include active recovery days to maintain circulation and reduce fatigue. Light swimming, yoga, or walking can help your body adapt while avoiding overload. Finally, track your recovery and listen closely to feedback. Mild soreness is normal. Sharp pain or lingering fatigue means you need more rest. Recovery isn't linear. Expect small setbacks and adjust as needed. Returning to sport isn't about rushing back. It's about returning better. By rebuilding your foundation, listening to your body, and progressing smartly, you'll not only regain performance, but come back stronger, faster, and more resilient than before.